Okay, good day, students. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing very well. In today's lesson, we are going to look at one of the powerful tools that we use in MS PowerPoint presentation. As we are currently busy with the PowerPoint presentation, um, we did a lot of things in PowerPoint presentation. And one of these components that we're going to do today is, or that you're going to look at is Slide Master. Is one of the powerful tools that you can use to customize your PowerPoint presentation in just a second or in a blink of an eye. Like you customize, you change a lot of things onto your presentation using only a certain tool that is called Slide Master. So what is the Slide Master first of all? The Slide Master is the powerful tool that enables you to manage the layout of the PowerPoint presentation. So we are saying it's a powerful tool that enables you to do what? To manage the layout of the PowerPoint presentation. Imagine sometimes you are given, uh, you have your presentation that has got 50 slides. In this presentation, um, you have to manage the layout of that PowerPoint presentation. You have to change a lot of things. Maybe the font size, you need to change the font colors of your text. You need to change the background of the slides and all those things. And now imagine if you have got a slide with maybe 50 slides, a presentation with 50 slides. And without a slide master, it only is the presentation that you'll be changing or that you want to customize. If you don't use the slide master, then you have to customize. You have to uh, change whatever you want to change on the slides slide by slide, like you are going from one slide into another. But with the slide master, it allows you to change only one certain thing in one slide, and then it affects all the other slides, all the other 49 slides. Okay, so it says with the slide master controls all the information about the themes, about the background, the layout, the color, the fonts, and the positioning of all the slides. Using the slide master, it's an easiest way to adjust the look of an existing theme or make changes to all the slides in your presentation. So basically what you're saying here is the slide master, as I've said earlier, that with the slide master, it allows you to make changes to the slide, to your slide in the presentation. You only make one changes to one slide and then it affects all the what? All the other slides. Rather than changing or customizing slides like individually or one by one. Okay, so that it takes your times, your energy to do all that. Okay, so but now with the slide master, it gives you that possibility to change, to make changes all the slide at once. Okay, so to apply slide master, use slide master, these are the different steps that you can go through um, to enable the slide master tool. Okay, as you can see here, so the first thing that you need to go is you go to your view tab on your presentation, and then you click on the slide master button icon here. And once you click on the slide master tab or button, it gives you this interface, it gives you this window or this actually interface. Yes, so the first thing, we click on view, and then we click on slide master, and then it gives us this view. Okay, so if you just click on slide master view, slide master tab, it gives you these slides, all these different in your presentation. So it gives you, this is a slide master, so this is what make changes to all these other slides. Okay, so the presentation consists of or contains all these slides. So, and then the changes you only make to these slides, and then it affects all these other 49 or 50 slides here in your presentation. Let's move on. Okay, so these are the actually basically the steps that that we did there in the above. Slide master, and then you go to layout where you click on slide master button. So now let's quickly I'm quickly going to show you how to apply, or how is slide master actually applied onto your presentation, or how you can basically apply or use slide master. So this is our presentation on computer hardware and softwares, and this slide has 57, I mean this presentation have got 57 slides. Now we want to change all our heading. If you look at the headings there, our headings are in bold, and they've got 32 fonts as a font size. Okay, so to apply that to all the slide master was used, because you can't just do that, all that, whatever it's applied to this slide, you do in the slide by slide. That will take your time. And yeah, so that's actually basically the importance of slide master. Okay, so let's quickly look at how to apply slide master, or how to use slide master. So the first thing, according to the previous steps, we said you click on a view tab. You click on view tab, and then you go to slide master button here in the master view groups. You click on slide master. Okay, so this is what we saw in the presentation there. Okay, so this is the slide master slide. So whatever you make, any changes that you make here, it affects all the other slides. Okay, like if you go to the title slide here, this is our title slide for this slide. So whatever changes that you make here, whether you change this font color, you change the size here, it affects it, or all the other slides here will change to that specific font size or font color. Okay, so now let's go and apply. So what you do first is you just click on the text that you want to change or to make changes. So now let's click on the title slide here. So let's just highlight. You can highlight, or you can just click selected. As you can see here, mine is selected. And then you go to home tab, because we want to change certain few things. So let's change to our font type to Arial. Okay, let's choose Arial. And then the font size, we are going to make it 32. Right? That means all these slides, their title slide, I have changed to bold, I mean to Arial, I'm sorry. To Arial is the font type, and the font size is 32. Okay. Now let's go on and change the color, the font color, and see what's happened. Okay, we're going to change the font color of all the title slides to red. Okay, I think if you can see here, you see that all the font color to all the title slides, it's red, as you can see here. Okay, red, red, and red. So all the slides in this presentation, the title slides, are changed to red. Okay, and then you go to the subtitle area of your slide. So now here we have got different levels. So this is the heading to your, or this is the first the heading to the subtitle. So let's change that to italic, and we are going to underline it. Okay, so as you can see here, italic, and you can see an underline there. Can you see that the subtitle here, the title in this it's underlined. Okay, it's underlined. Okay, we are going to apply this, and then you see all these changes. Okay, and then we also have got levels. Second level, so this is the first level, and then we have the second level, third level. This is according to, let's say if you are listing certain things in your presentation, you will definitely have different levels. So the second level we have maybe you center it, you apply center, Okay, so you apply center alignment to the second. I'm sorry, what happened here? Okay, okay, and then the third one, uh, let's apply the color. Let's change the font color to maybe not color, to yellow color. Let's make it green. Okay, but if you can see, if you can just check there properly, you see green color there. It's applied the second level, and that happens to all the slides. So all these changes will be applied to all the slides. And then, okay, let's choose fifth level, and let's apply a different color as well, just to see the difference. Let's apply a yellow color, and that's it. So this yellow color is applied to all